The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 139A. Transfer of certain cases. 1. Where cases involving the same, or substantially the same questions of law, are pending before the Supreme Court, and one or more High Courts, or before two or more High Courts. And the Supreme Court is satisfied on its own motion, or on an application made by the Attorney General of India, or by a party to any such case, that such questions are substantial questions of general importance, the Supreme Court may withdraw the case, or cases pending before the High Court, or the High Courts, and dispose of all the cases itself, provided that the Supreme Court may, after determining the said questions of law, return any case so withdrawn, together with a copy of its judgment on such questions, to the High Court, from which the case has been withdrawn. And the High Court shall, on receipt thereof, proceed to dispose of the case, in conformity with such judgment. 2. The Supreme Court may, if it deems it expedient so to do, for the ends of justice, transfer any case, appeal, or other proceedings, pending before any High Court to any other High Court.